Given the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, how many even numbers greater than 3000 can be formed? Numbers may not start with a 0. Digits cannot be repeated. Now, to be greater than 3000, we need to start with 4-digit numbers. Now, we could put, say, 3 or 5 in the first box, giving us 2 choices. That means that we can finish with a 0, 2, or 4, making the number even. That's 3 choices. Remember, we have 6 digits altogether, and now we've already used 2 of those 6 digits. So there are 4 choices here and 3 here. So that's going to give us 2 times 4 times 3 times 3. The other possibility with a 4-digit number is that we start with the 4. That's 1 choice here, and it also means that we can only have a 0 or 2 in there. We've then used 2 digits, so we've got 4 and 3. So that is 1 times 4 times 3 times 2. Now let's move on to 5-digit numbers. Now here, we could start with anything but 0, but let's think about this carefully because we need also to be even. So if I start with a 1, 3, or 5, that is 3 choices here, and that leaves me all of 0, 2, and 4 that we can go there with. And then we have 4 left to choose here, then 3, then 2. So that's 3 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 3. On the other hand, we could start with a 2 or a 4. 2 choices here. Once we've chosen one of those, there are 2 choices to go here. Either we choose the 0 or the one of the 2 and the 4 that we haven't put at the front. Then we have 4 choices, 3 choices, 2 choices. So that's 2 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 2. Then we have the 6-digit numbers. So we're going to have 2 lots for that as well. Now we can start once again 1, 3, 5, giving us 3 choices. That means the 0, 2, and 4 are all free to be chosen at the back there. And then we've got 4, 3, 2, 1. So that's 3 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 3, same as this one here. And indeed, we're going to find the same sort of thing as we found here. We can start with the 2 or the 4. And that means that there's 2 choices there, but also 2 here. We can choose the 0 and whichever of the 2 and 4 we haven't chosen. And then we have 4, 3, 2, 1. So 2 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 2. And when we calculate all of those by the addition principle, we're just going to add all of those answers. So that's going to be 72, 24, 216, 96, 216, and 96, and adding all of those gives us 720.